Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use speech in FL Studio. So you're going to want to go to the top left here, see the button says add, go here, click speech, and then type in what you want it to say, and put that,
Sub 100 box.
and then see, you click here to preview the sample, and you just, edit it.
Sub 100K box. Sub 100K box. Sub 100K
You can
box.
change the key, the
Sub
voice,
100K box.
the speed.
Sub 100K box. Sub 100K box. Sub 100K box. Sub 100K box.
Oops, just get it down.
Sub 100K box. Sub 100K box. Sub
Yeah, you can just
100K box. Sub 100K box. Sub 100K box. Sub 100K box.
Anyways, when you
Sub
found the one you want,
100K box.
you just save it as a speech file, and then you look it up in here. Oh wait, where? Hold on. Yeah. So you look it up here, and you have the dot speech file,
Sub 100K box.
and
Sub
which
100K
you
box.
can
Sub
directly edit,
sub sub 100.
as you can see here, and like change the properties, and you also have the already rendered out
Sub
audio
sub
file, which you can do whatever with that, and like put effects, stuff like that, reverse
Stop.
it.
Yes, there's no bust.
Um, yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about the speech plugin. I don't know how to do this with any other DAWs besides FL Studio. I think it's an exclusive. I don't know how to put it on other DAWs anyways. Like and subscribe.